So in this video, I'm going to talk about how data and statistics have changed my perspective on trading. And I've always harped data. I've talked about data in previous videos and previous personal content and conversations I've done. But this, I just now dove into it with Claude AI and using Python, using different coding softwares in order to produce mass amounts of backtested data. And it's literally insane. The results I can get, the confidence I can pull from the data is actually insane. So recently I ran a backtest on the NASDAQ NQ1 futures data for a high RR system that's based on some metrics. It's pretty much a continuation fair value gap system and with a certain macro time. And it's insane. Like, I can go back, I was able to refine it over and over again until I got the right amounts of data I wanted off of it. So I tested multiple years, I want to say like 10 to 15 years of data like that, like literally like that. And that is the craziest thing. Like, it totally destroys manual backtesting. There's no need for manual backtesting anymore when you can go back and collect data like that and even create AI to go about it discretionally. It is insane. There's literally no need for it. You can literally make neural networks, which I'm just now diving into, in different aspects like that, to discover data and go through trading data on any asset and get mass amounts of data on your system. So you know me, my whole goal is to be consistent, make money with prop firms. That's my goal. I don't really care about the live account stuff right now because prop firms are here, the opportunity for them to make money. My whole goal is to make consistent returns to prop firms and make a couple payouts per month, 10K a month, 20K a month. My first goal is 5K a month. So just consistent payouts to replace my job's income. That's my goal, as I want to trade for freedom. So with this, I can build and backtest a system that fits prop firms perfectly. And what I've done was, with the current system I'm trading, or the one I backtested, it already has a 70% passing rate, and then like 60% payout rate. So it's already really good, but I know I can get it to 100. I can get it to 100% passing rate, 100% payout rate, and I can refine it to a period which I want. But it's just insane how I dove into the whole quantitative data side of trading, and it really just opened my eyes to how much is out there and how much more that retail traders don't know about it. Like, we are just, as retail traders, like, we're all retail, we're not in institutional trading. We don't realize there's so much that can benefit you out of using data and out of statistics and out of these more advanced concepts of trading to pull and build a system instead of just like ICD concepts or whatever you use. Let's say you backtest, you go back and you take 50 backtested trades and you base your whole system around that. That is not sustainable enough to build a system off of. And that's what I was doing. I went backtested 100 trades and I was like, sweet, I have a perfectly good system. Yes, I did pass a fund account with it. Yes, I've passed fund accounts in the past. And yes, I did almost get a payout, but it was just like back and forth. I passed fund accounts with it, but I wasn't confident enough to get to that payout stage. So when you can backtest years of data, go back, collect millions of bars, go back and do tons of days, you can really refine and narrow down what you really want and what can benefit you. You can go back and test every single Friday, every single Thursday, or whatever day you want, and refine it to the exact day where the system performs the best. So say on my personal system, say Fridays I have a 70% win rate, and then on Mondays I have a 20% win rate. What day am I gonna trade? Fridays, because I can capitalize off that and then have a 70% win rate and literally perform better than the rest of the days. So I literally don't know how, like, my brain switched. How do you trade without data anymore? You can't. You're literally trusting your mentor, you're trusting random people that a system is gonna be profitable. Whereas when you backtest, you do the due diligence, you run Claude, you don't even have to do it. I didn't even do it. I don't know how to code. I use Claude to code. I use Claude to do it for me. I don't even know how to code Python. I don't know how to code Java. I use Claude to do it for me so I can get the data. And that's the tools and resources we have now is AI, and you have to use it for your advantage. It really is a benefit, a massive benefit to your life. So yeah, guys, whatever strategy you trade, if you've been following me for a minute, obviously, I appreciate you guys for following this journey. I know my channel's small right now, but it's gonna be big in the future. I'm gonna grow my network and make an amazing life out of this because I'm really passionate. I really want to live that online entrepreneurship life and travel the world. I will do that. It's going to happen. I've already done it. I've been to Montana already. I've been to New Mexico. We're going to Costa Rica in September. So I am I am slowly moving into that world, but obviously I still work my job. I still have my physical realm of it. It's just crazy. It's just crazy to me that I have these tools available. So now we can do research level like quants. We can do research like quantitative traders. We can do research like institutional trading, like banks, hedge funds, and get this data to back us up. So go try it out with your system. Whatever you trade, back it up. Give it to Claude. Have Claude break it down and test it over years of data. Whatever asset you trade, gold, ES, YM, copper, freaking silver, whatever you trade. Go have it back test years of data. I went back to 2010, 2015 to present 2026. Go back there, run it through the test. It really will build your confidence, and it'll give you the data you need to know how to perform properly and how to risk appropriately for prop firms, because you can see your max losing streaks. You can see what your max drawdown is over time, your win rate streaks. You can just see what you need in order to make money with prop firms. It's life changing. Y'all should go do it. It's going to change my trading. You'll see in the next couple of months, my trading is going to drastically change. I've been basing my current trading off my mentor, which my mentor's amazing. I love my mentor. He trades profitably. He rips 5 figures in payouts all the time. But I just couldn't trade like him. Personally, I didn't know how to come to that level. I had to learn something myself. And so that's what I'm realizing is I have to move into my own way of trading, and I can't copy my mentor's way of trading, even if he is consistently profitable with it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm building my own thing. I'll obviously have updates on this, and also I'm getting a new computer, so I'll be able to make more recordings on OBS about my current trading and all that stuff going on. Now that I'm moving from Windows to Mac, I'm super excited. MacBooks are gonna be, I love MacBooks, so it's gonna be nice, and it'll connect to my phone. So, what else to update? So yeah, that's gonna be fun, and yeah, moving on with the data and updates is gonna be super cool. And it's gonna build my confidence a lot, and it's gonna allow me to be consistent with prop firms. You will see. And I promise you, sorry, hold on, let me turn. In the next couple of months, I will be ripping payouts. You know why? Because I have data backed on these months. I know that in July, June, August, that I have an 80% win rate, 70% win rate, that I know that I can make money in these months. So if I use historical data, I use backtests, and I perform and execute the same way my backtests are, and don't overfit my strategy or don't change my principles and rules, I will be able to pull a couple payouts. So look forward to that. I'll obviously make updates if I do, updates on everything for y'all. But we're about to just hit the ground running. We're about to make money. It's gonna be so good. And so I'm super excited about Claude. Just go utilize AI in your own trading. Don't take my word for it, just go do it yourself, because you'll realize how much it will benefit you. Peace.